let's turn over to Paul. Paul, this is your long weather.
Yeah, I know. I tell you what, gave you a little sneak peek while ago. So this is the long weather here, about 2.5 minutes, they tell me. All right, cloudy skies outside this morning. Again, nothing unusual about that. Temperature close to 80 degrees. We'll see a low this morning, a little bit above normal. Normal is 75 and nowhere near the record of 67. Now, I think we'll have a heat index value today around 105 this afternoon. It is going to be a hot one. Make sure to stay hydrated. Also, make sure if you've got to work outside, take some breaks. Down to the south, though, where you see those counties in the orange, heat index values could exceed 110 degrees, so definitely going to be hot. All right, lots of cloud cover out there this morning. We've got a little false return around the radar sites out of New Braunfels and also out of Kinney County this morning, but no real measurable rainfall to speak of. Now, I do think later on this morning, let's say between 7 and about 9, could have a little bit of a patchy drizzle or a sprinkle. It's definitely possible. It's warm, it's humid. Temperature right now, 80 degrees. Cotulla's at 83. Beeville, 80 degrees. Hallettsville's coming in at 78. Upper level pattern, main thing I want to show you is we've got this trough across the western portions of the U.S. In response to that, high across the eastern portions of the country, and that upper level ridge of high pressure is going to keep rain away for the most part. I'm going to throw in a slight chance on Saturday, but for the most part, keeping rain away, hot, and also keeping grace way down to the south there in the southern portions of the Gulf of Mexico. I'll show you the track here in just a minute. So for today, high temperatures, mid-90s. I think we'll hit about, 96 degrees. Computer model says 94. I think we'll probably do a little bit better than that. Partly cloudy skies, and I just don't see a good chance for any kind of rainfall. Tomorrow morning, I suppose we could have a little sprinkle or a drizzle, no doubt about that. For your Friday, high temperatures will be in the mid-90s. And then as we head into Saturday, partly because of grace, a little trough of low pressure may work in out of the Gulf of Mexico. Maybe a 20% chance for Saturday, but I wouldn't bet on rain in your backyard. Heat index values this afternoon anywhere from 102 to 105. It is going to be hot. All right, yesterday evening, this buoy that's east of the Yucatan had winds at around 60 miles per hour. Maximum sustained winds with grace right now at 80 and has made landfall in the Yucatan. Here's Cotulla, Cancun. As you would imagine, very windy and also lots of rainfall. These spaghetti plots are all these different computer models, very consistent, pointing off towards the west. And so the National Hurricane Center has a really small cone there because pretty likely that grace will continue to move westward into the Bay of Campeche, may re-strengthen into a Category 1 hurricane, but staying far south of Texas. Really quick, Andre is way to the south and west of Bermuda and may do a little bit of a hook and come back pretty close to the East Coast. Could be very close to Boston by Sunday as a strong tropical storm, but nowhere near Texas, of course. All right, noon 88, high 96, heat index values at about 104. Tomorrow 96, again, heat index around 104. Weekend is going to be hot. I'm throwing in that slight chance for Saturday. Don't expect rain in your backyard. And then a 20% chance for Wednesday. Next week, just a lot of heat, 96 to 97 degrees, just really hot for next week.